Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up a secure folder on Vivo Y04. If you're using Vivo Y04 and now you want to set up your secure folder, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Google Files app here, just open it and then select save folder here, just tap on it and you just have to enter password or pattern you want. You just have to create one that I've already created. Just enter it. Here you will easily get your private folder, safe folder. You just have to go back and then select photos and videos which you want to move to your secure folder. I'm going to select any video, open videos here, and here you just have to keep a long press on any video. Then select three dots in the top right corner. Select move to save folder, and here you just have to enter your password or pattern and your video will be moved to your secure folder. Just open it, enter your password again, and then you will easily get your secured video. So that's how you can easily set up a secured folder on your Vivo Y04. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.